What if your body could no longer clean your own blood? For millions of people, kidney failure turns this vital function into a life-threatening challenge. But modern medicine has created a way to filter blood outside the body and restore balance. Deep inside the body, healthy kidneys work continuously, filtering waste, toxins, and excess fluid from the bloodstream. These tiny structures, called nephrons, act like natural purification systems, keeping the body in perfect chemical balance. When the kidneys begin to fail, this filtration slows down dramatically. Waste products that should be removed start building up in the blood, silently affecting the body's internal environment. As toxins accumulate, the blood becomes overloaded with harmful substances. This imbalance can lead to fatigue, swelling, and serious health complications if not treated in time. At the hospital, doctors analyze blood reports and diagnostic results. These tests reveal that the kidneys are no longer functioning properly, confirming the need for immediate treatment. The solution is explained clearly: dialysis. This process will take over the job of the kidneys, using a specialized machine to clean the blood and remove waste safely. Inside a modern dialysis center, everything is designed for precision and comfort. Advanced machines, sterile equipment, and trained staff create a controlled environment for treatment. Focus shifts to the patient's right arm, where a vascular access point has been created. This connection between artery and vein allows blood to flow efficiently into the dialysis system. Using careful and sterile technique, the medical team inserts soft needles into the access point. These needles connect the bloodstream to the dialysis tubing without discomfort. Blood begins to move through transparent tubes, leaving the body and entering the machine. The flow is steady and controlled, guided by precise pressure systems. Inside the machine, the blood enters a special filter called a dialyzer. This device contains a semi-permeable membrane that separates waste from healthy blood components. As blood flows through the dialyzer, harmful toxins pass through the membrane into a cleansing fluid. This process mimics the natural filtering action of the kidneys. Gradually, the blood becomes cleaner as waste particles are removed. The color and clarity improve, signaling that purification is working effectively. At the same time, excess fluid is carefully extracted from the bloodstream. This helps reduce swelling and restores proper fluid balance in the body. The dialysis system continues circulating blood in a loop, out of the body, through the filter, and back again. This continuous cycle ensures thorough cleaning over time. Throughout the process, the machine monitors pressure, flow rate, and safety parameters. Every detail is controlled to maintain stability and efficiency. The temperature of the blood is regulated as it passes through the machine. This ensures that the body remains comfortable and the blood stays at a safe level. Electrolytes such as sodium and potassium are carefully balanced during dialysis. This step is essential for maintaining proper nerve and muscle function. Now the purified blood begins its return journey. It flows smoothly back into the patient's right arm, re-entering the body in a clean and balanced state. This entire cycle repeats continuously, gradually improving the quality of the blood. Over time, the body begins to stabilize as toxins are removed. As the session progresses, the patient rests comfortably while the machine continues its work. The steady rhythm of the system replaces the lost function of the kidneys. In the final stage of dialysis, the blood reaches optimal cleanliness. Waste levels are reduced, and the body's internal balance is restored. The machine slowly comes to a stop as the session concludes. Blood flow returns completely to the body, and the system prepares for safe disconnection. The medical team carefully removes the needles from the access point. The process is clean and controlled, ensuring the patient remains comfortable. After treatment, the patient relaxes and begins to feel the difference. The body is no longer burdened by excess toxins and fluid. Inside the bloodstream, the improvement is clear. Clean, balanced blood now flows through the vessels, supporting vital organs more effectively. With cleaner blood, energy levels begin to rise. The patient feels more active and alert compared to before the session. Daily life becomes easier again. Simple activities like walking, reading, and interacting with others feel more natural and less exhausting. A clear comparison shows the transformation. Before dialysis, the blood was filled with waste. Now it is clean and properly balanced. The patient's overall condition reflects this change. Where there was weakness and fatigue, there is now improved strength and stability. Over time, dialysis becomes part of a regular routine. Each session continues to support the body and maintain healthy blood chemistry. This life-saving process allows patients with kidney failure to live longer and healthier lives. Dialysis does not cure the condition, but it replaces a critical function. In the end, what we see is a remarkable medical achievement, a machine that steps in when the body cannot, cleaning the blood, restoring balance, and giving life a second chance.
Thanks to this dialysis. Vital signs are stable, treatment is proceeding as expected. That's great news. I'm ready for the next step.